What if I told you there are just 5 exercises you need to do for the rest of your life? If you stick with these, you'll not only feel stronger but might even find yourself looking and feeling younger. Let's dive right in. 1. The plank. If you've never tried a plank before, it's time to start. The plank is a fantastic exercise that strengthens your abs, shoulders, back, glutes, and most importantly, your core. It's simple to do, and the variations make it accessible for all fitness levels. Core strength is essential for everything we do, from standing upright to bending and lifting safely. Without a stable core, many movements become inefficient. 2. Single-leg Romanian deadlift. As we age, balance often declines, but exercises like the single-leg RDL can help you regain and maintain it. This exercise strengthens your hamstrings, hips, and lower back while enhancing flexibility and balance. A true lower body all-rounder. 3. Push-ups. Push-ups are a classic for a reason. They work your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core, making them a top choice for building upper body strength. Plus, they're great for posture and everyday functional strength. 4. Horse stance. This might be new to you, but the horse stance is a game changer for building lower body strength, stability, and even mental focus. It's a simple yet powerful exercise that engages your legs, glutes, and core. This exercise also improves concentration and focus as you maintain the pose. 5. Kettlebell swings. Looking for an exercise that combines strength and cardio? Kettlebell swings are the answer. They work your glutes, hamstrings, core, and even shoulders, all while getting your heart rate up. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to share it with someone who might benefit from it too. Let's stay strong and healthy together.